Yeah, so if we look down here, so there's a bell housing. There's that there, so that's an oil line or something. This braided line's actually air as well, but that's disappearing down there. So, that T junction, whatever the hell you want to call that junction, there's got air in it as well. So one of those lines is going down to, see those funny little things that appear to do nothing, just like, same as that one there. You see that's coming off that line as well. Fuck the fine name, man. Anyway, whatever. Yeah, because I learnt the hard way on undoing bloody injector rails and screwing them back together and trying to get bloody that thing there back in with a cunt. And little glass bulb thing sitting in there. That was a bastard to get. Anyway, whatever. I managed to get it going again, but like I was saying, then I was just trying to reverse it around the yard and sort of ease it forward and ease it backwards to move it around the yard a little bit. And even though my foot was on the clutch, she started accelerating towards my XR6 there quite rapidly. Yeah, bugger it, gave me a hell of a surprise. So anyway, I wouldn't mind getting the fucking thing moving. So here's the camera just sitting here. I'm going down the front of the bus and I'm going to stick my foot on the clutch a couple of times. Here we go. Well, that did sweet fuck all, didn't it? Nothing moving there. Wondered why the bus was getting lower. So here I am under the bus, working the clutch with my left hand, poking around with my right hand, and not much fun under here, not a lot of room. That appears to be like a, well that was a master cylinder of some description. Don't know how to get to that though. Looks like there must be a bit up under the floor there somewhere. This cap just fell off the top of it. No, don't need that bit. Whatever that says. It can go out there. So yeah, that looks to be a it appears to be an empty fucking master cylinder of hydraulic or some sort of fluid anyway. And then it's got a pipe coming out the back, which is just there. And if I can follow that, right, it's that one there, which comes through there and through this junction here. I don't know what that is, but it looks as though it's unplugged anyway, judging by that. So that's it there. So that right hand rail, or left hand if you're driving the bus looking at the front, so left hand rail there is, what am I trying to say? It's a clutch. Hard to tell if it's got anything in it or not. Well, I found it. Well, not really found it, but I found it. Not really, but so this here's the top of that master cylinder reservoir. So I've just filled that up. It was low. And you can see that's like a float, which sticks that up when and it's obviously got enough fluid in it. And it was below that level, but the wires have long gone from that connection there. So if I leave that in, then I'll push the clutch. Right, so that noise there is the linkage taking up some slack. Ooh. Oh yeah, I think that just got harder. I think I've got a pedal. Oh yeah. Okay, we've got a pedal back. Awesome. It's amazing what you can find. Well, it's amazing what I didn't find until I got under the, well, you can tell I've got under the bloody bus a little bit, can't you? But the trouble is at the back, like, you know, crawling under that to try and get at the bloody, you know, yeah, well, see, yeah, anyway, I've got some pedal feel back, so it's probably got some air in the line, but by the feel of it, I'd say it always did. No doubt there's 100 other little bloody tricks like finding access panels like that to this bloody thing. It's a bloody cool bus when it's running. I love it. Yeah, so these exhaust cutout things, or manifold blocks or whatever. Anyway, let's have a look for those. So that should, in theory, push an exhaust, like if you push the button on the dash, it should release a solenoid or something which allows the air to come through and shut off the exhaust, which should in theory stop the engine from running. Anyway, that's something to sort out, but at the moment I've just cut my head because crawling under that. I'm going to reconnect these batteries and then I'm going to risk, oh yeah, it's heavy, I'm going to risk, oh that usually sparks, why didn't that spark? Oh dear, that didn't get enough fuel, did it? Didn't like that very much. Right, so this is one way of priming the fuel system. I've got that hose there coming out of this container, going into the fuel filter and along. So all we need to do is touch that wire on there and watch it suck the fuel. Running off a proper fuel pump, and it's going through the filter, and it's running fine. Wonder if it's building air pressure. Oh, there seems to be an air leak underneath. Yeah, where's that air leak coming from? Bugger. Right, there we go. That valve there. Just stuck itself open. There we go. Alright, cool. There we go. Whoa. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh shit, I'm not made for that. Right, I'm still not sure if I've got any clutch. Nah, just go straight to the floor again. So at least I got the bus out the way of the puddles. So when I looked underneath, I found that there was some dripping coming down from the bell housing area,
So it looks as though the hydraulic fluid is just coming out of the clutch slave cylinder and going into the puddle. So another day.